23rd, National Typewriter Day. Well, a lot of people mistakenly think we have a typewriter in the shop, and that would be the keyboard of the Linotype machine. And that's the only similarity. They both have keyboards. Key layout on the Linotype is completely different. Because the Linotype doesn't have a shift key, which most typewriters do nowadays, or even computers, all of the lowercase letters are here. The capitals are over on this side. And in the middle are punctuation, spacing, figures, other bits of it. But the layout is completely unique to the Linotype. Linotype operators, I don't know that being able to use a typewriter would be any help, because you would have to have a different mindset. What the Linotype does is sets lines of type, sets and casts them, and the keyboard is an essential piece of that process. So a lot of our visitors say, "Oh, a typewriter," and I have to inform them that, well, it's a keyboard but not a typewriter, because the Linotype doesn't print anything.